Hi, this is Andrew. Now, if you want to build a website and you don't know what website name and how to register for your website and hosting, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you two of my secret weapons on how to find a nice name for your company or from your website. And then I will show you how you can register for hosting and get a free domain. Okay, so the first website that go in is called Namelix. Yeah, now I will put a link right in the description. If you do not know, you can click on the link and go to this website. Now, this is a cool website that it will helps you to generate your website name or business name. So every time I create a new business, I will always come to this one of the website that used to help me to create a business name that I like. Yeah, so and it can help you generate a short, brandable business name using AI, artificial intelligence. So let's try. Let's say, for example, I want to create a name for my e-commerce business, and my e-commerce business is selling things or products related to coffee. So here, what I want to put is maybe like AC and coffee. Yeah, so I just put in here and let's let it generate and see what it suggests. So here I want something short names or medium names or long names. Yeah, I prefer maybe like short and mediums. You want to take all also can. Yeah, let's take short and mediums. And then next thing is that I want to have a name style. A name style something is the brandable or multiple words, compound words like FedEx, yeah, multiple words like Facebook or foreign words, okay, misspelling, real words, rhyming words, person names. Yeah, maybe let's try something like rhyming words and see what it generates. And we can always come back and change to other, let's say, brandable names or so on. So let's generate. You can see pretty fast. So right now you can see all this name coming out. Yeah, Lemon Eden, pizza sodas. Nothing to do with my coffee. Okay, so aromas priors. Okay, pizza. All right. Okay, caffeine, Nest bottle. Yeah. All right. So if I don't like this, I can always go back here and click create new names. I can go back. Then I want to put maybe brandable names, short one. See how does it? I mean, what kind of suggestion it gives me. All right. So this one is more interesting. Okay, like Beverx, Top Beat, New Cafe. Yeah, this is not bad. Okay, New Cafe. Yeah, Coffin, the one. It sounds like coffin, right? Sea Coffee. Okay, Coffee Hive, Electric, Roast Tea. Okay, Roast Team. Now forget about my pronunciation. These are all the words I don't know how to pronounce. Yeah, but it gives you like a branded name. You see that? So if I want to see more, I can go back here. I can put in like I just want like a short name and see how it looks like. What kind of suggestion it gives us. So you're going to play around with that, you see. So this will be a short one. Yeah. Okay. So definitely not this shit. Yeah. Hit Solada, Spice, Juice, Copley. Yeah. Cocaf. Couple, Brandy. Okay. So Citro. Yeah. And Rosie. Okay. Not too bad. Now, these are all the things it suggests to you. Not necessarily you have to follow exactly. Then later on, I will show you how to go and check whether it's available for you to purchase, whether the domain. So let's keep it right over here. Now, if you want more, yeah, this is something already interesting. It also gives you the so-called the artwork of your logo, so-called, yeah. But it doesn't have to follow exactly. I usually comes here to get the idea of the name, right? So the next website that I goes to is called Lean Domain Search. Yeah. So same thing, the link will be right below. We'll put it there so that you can go there and click and go to this website. And here is the same thing. Let's say I want to put AC Coffee. Okay. So right now, this one is more straightforward. It will find the words like AC Coffee, Web AC Coffee, or Web AC Coffee, right? So AC Coffee now, AC Coffee, all AC Coffee, okay? So these are more straightforward. You just take the name and then add the back and forth so that you can see, let's say AC Coffee Direct. So over here, once you click, then it can tell you that, hey, accoffeedirect.com is still actually available. Yeah, so don't register here, okay, because sometimes it's just an estimate, may not be true. So AC Coffee Direct, yeah. So this is something maybe that I want. All right. So there are two, one Namelix, one this Lean Domain Search website. And then after we find the names that we want, then we go to, this is one of my favorite hosting company, which is give you a very, very affordable, especially for Malaysian. The price is super low. Let me show you. Okay, this is the pricing. Yeah, it started from only like 3 ringgit for one website, but this is more like a limited. Okay, they're limited bandwidth, and I prefer to go for 8 ringgit a month. Yeah, so this is the one that I prefer, but it's all up to you, your own budget. You want to go for this, by all means, you can do that. So I'm showing you here that how to get a free domain. So if you take this like 8 ringgit 05 per month, you can actually have a free domain. You can see here, you have free domain. This one have no free domain. So let's say you want this, let's take this, add to cart. Now, it brings you here to the checkout page. So come over here. Now, remember that I will put a link also in the below, and then click there. And then at the same time, I will give you a coupons. Yeah, my coupons will help you to save further. So this is the package. You can go for like 12 months. Don't go for 1 month because it's totally not worth it. 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. So let's say, I mean, if you really want to do long-term business, this is a good deal, because the next time when you renew, you see plan renews at 13 ringgit 99 per month. So I will take this because I can enjoy 4 years at only 8 ringgit 05. So let's take this one. Then you see here, this is some grayed out. There's a very gray, click here, and then it gives you a feel. Now, key in my coupon that I'm giving you. If you can't see it right over here, you can check out in the description. So AC Hosting, ACHOSTING, and click the plus sign. Now you see you got further discount. So now it's like 1 month is like 750 only. All right. Now here's the thing. You are eligible for a free domain. So right now here, you will key in. Just now go back here. I'm saying I want this AC Coffee Direct. Okay, accoffeedirect.com. So now I come over here. I'm putting AC Coffee Direct.com. Okay, Coffee Direct. Yeah, correct. Choose.com. Yeah, and search. See whether it's available or not. Okay, so now it shows you that this is available. So then you can actually buy this. Yeah, 100% discount is free. So then after this, all you need to do is click checkout, and then select which payment method you want. Now this one is even like with FPX and all this thing. You want to use banking, FPX is almost the same, or credit card. You can choose whatever you want. Then all you need is just click and then follow the steps to pay, and you will get your hosting and your website name or domain for free. I hope this video shows you clearly on how you can find your business name or website name through two of my favorite websites, Namelix and leandomainsearch.com. And then from there, you just go and play around, research, and find the name that you like or a few names that you like. Then go into Hostinger, choose a package, and then check inside there whether the domain or website name that you want is available or not. If yes, then register it. You can get it for free together with your hosting. So I hope you like this video. Please give us a like and then also share to your friends. And for those who are not subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish our online marketing tips to help you grow online, you will be notified. And meanwhile, you can watch some of this video right here, and I will see you right soon in my next video.